Creating a report template. Select the Create Edit Template button from the home page. This will open up a blank report. The report consists of two pages, the title page and the secondary page. Here you can see that the title page is used for the first page, pointed out now. The secondary page is used through pages 2 through 5. Basic template element creation. Template elements such as text, lines, rectangles, views, things like that can be added by using the drop-down menu, or you can also use the right mouse button anywhere on the template itself. Images can be inserted into a template of various formats. What you have to do is place the image, then you can use the left mouse button to drag the image and also resize it. If you use a PNG image, that has transparency, so if you have a background, all you'll see is the actual logo itself and nothing on the background. Adding default views to a template. Three view types can be added to a template. First is an overlay view. That's a view that has both models overlaid on top of each other with a 50% transparency level. Once the view is placed, you can use the left mouse button to move it around, or select one of the edges and drag it to change its size. The other two view types are the was and the is view. The was, of course, contains everything highlighted in the was file. The is view contains everything highlighted in the is file. The three views are just placeholders at the moment. They won't actually have any views in them until you use the template in a compare report. By selecting an element with the right mouse button, you can adjust its attributes. In this case, the border's color, line thickness. You can also do text. You can do change it to a bold, italic. You can change the font of the text. Adding variables to a template. Predefined variables like page numbers, file names, current date, time, things like that can easily be dragged and dropped onto the template itself, either the title page or the secondary pages. These will appear in the final report. You can also use a combination of text and variables as shown here. So quickly create the text that you want. Once the text is done, you can drag and drop the variable that you need next to the text. Adding user variables to a template. User variables work exactly the same way as a predefined variable. The difference is that a user variable, the user inputs the information for the variable manually. To create a user variable, in the variables tree, at the bottom there you'll see it says user defined. With the right mouse button, select create new variable. Then enter a variable name. After that, under the symbol area, insert the symbol that you want to use. A symbol consists of a $sign and a series of letters or numbers of your choosing. You can create as many user variables as needed. After you've created the variables, all you have to do again is just drag and drop them onto the template where you need them. Saving a template file. Once you're done creating your template, use the drop-down menu File to save or save as the template. Once the template is saved, to use the template in future reports, go back to the Home tab, select Customize Application, and then in the Template area you'll see select the icon and then select the new template that you want to use for the future reports.